Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, and keep in mind this is general love reading. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so let's start Aquarius. So let's see what's your partner's current energy, Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is this card literally jumped out. So Justice. I feel like right now your partner is dealing with some kind of legal matters. I just said eagle. I'm really sorry about that. I'm on my periods, might be that's why. So yeah, right now might be your partner is fighting some kind of legal battles, or they are feeling like they should do justice with their own life. They should do justice with their own feelings, and what their feelings are, we will see. But their current energy is forcing them to do some kind of justice. Okay, you could be dealing with a Libra, and this person might be acting really weird with you because they are feeling like they should do justice with you, with this connection, with their emotions. Might be they are taking some kind of decision and that's not going really well with you. Okay, Aquarius, let's clarify. Ace of Swords, Queen of Cups, Devil. Okay, so I feel like this person is taking the decision of starting this connection all over again because they have lots of loving feelings for you and they are obsessed with you. They are very obsessed with you and they are not able to come out of this situation. They are feeling stuck on you. This person is really stuck on you and they are feeling like they should have a brand new beginning in this connection with you. And now they are doing justice with their own feelings. They are feeling like they have lots of love for you and they should start this connection all over again with you. This is the justice that they are doing with themselves right now. Might be in the past they were feeling like I'm not going to open up, or I'm not going to say I love you, or I'm not going to give any kind of fuck to anybody. I'm going to do just my own work. But now karma is hitting them hard. And now they are feeling the feelings that you were feeling. Hope you're getting me right. So let's see. Your current energy is Five of Cups. You are in depression. Aquarius, don't tell me you are not in depression right now and you are really happy and you are fucking happy in your life. No. So I feel like you are depressed, you are sad, you are regretting something and you are grieving some kind of loss in your life right now. Okay, you're very depressed right now, you're very sad, loss of relationship, you're feeling some kind of loss of relationship in your life, and you're feeling like why the hell am I missing that person whom I never whom I never felt like he's a loving person or she's a loving person whom I never get any kind of fuck from. Yeah, so let's clarify. It is disappointment in love kind of energy that you are carrying right now. Emperor took a decision and you are very fearful about the decision and you are feeling like I should take baby steps. So you could be dealing with an Aries or a Pisces here. So you have taken a decision. You took this decision to be sad. Actually, I feel like you took this decision to separate from this person, and because you took this decision because you are very fearful about the future. You are feeling like there is no good future with this particular person, and now you are slowing everything down. You are just trying to be stable in your life as much as possible. Okay, and that's why you are feeling like very sad, depressed, lonely, and you are feeling like nobody is with you, the universe is against you, and nothing is working in your favor. All type of negative things that you are feeling right now, experiencing right now actually. So let's see what this person is feeling for you right now. I told you this person is feeling love for you. Now let's see the feelings for you. Their current energy is telling me that they are feeling love for you. Four of Cups. Yeah, see, they are also experiencing the same pain that you are going through right now, Aquarius. This person is also dissatisfied and sad, and they're not able to take any kind of decision, self-absorbed, and they're thinking a lot about you. It's like they're thinking hell lot about you. You are all over, like in their aura, in their energy, in their thoughts, in their heart, in their mind. You are all over the place. Okay, they're not able to stop thinking about you. So let's clarify. This is some kind of emotional exhaustion that they are going through. And finally they are feeling like, okay, now I have to accept that I love this person and I can't live without them. I just have to accept it. No more running from you. Okay. Three of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, King of Wands. Okay. So this person is feeling like they turn their back towards you because they wanted to work on their money, on their financial stability, but now they are feeling very very passionate about you. Now they are feeling like yes, they have lots of feelings for you. See, I can see this person turning your back towards you because they were turning their back towards you because they told you that they want to work on their finances, work on their business, work on their money matters. But now this person is now feeling like very very passionate about you. They are missing you and they are very discontent, very unhappy, very bored actually. They're not able to think about anything else rather than you right now. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Aquarius. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. This is a stupid kind of thing that they want from you. So this person wants you to come back towards them because they are feeling like you left them in the cold, but I feel like this was vice versa. Okay, this person wants you to come out of this cold and detached state of mind and talk to them and come towards you them, or go back to them. They want you to go back to them. Okay, and they want you to come out of this coldness or detached state of mind or whatever the shit you are doing with them right now. They are just wanting you to come out of that state. Let's clarify. The Chariot, the King of Pentacles, Four of Swords in reverse. Okay, so this person wants you to move on from this painful cycle that you are going through right now, and they want you to uh, self heal, and they want you to protect your energy, be stable in your life, and come out of some kind of shitty energy. It is like they want you to move on from this painful cycle that they created for you actually, and they want you to heal from some kind of trauma or some kind of past issues, and they feel like you are being very very restless and you are not able to maybe you are not able to focus on your money, focus on your job or something like that. They just want you to heal. They just fucking want you to heal from some kind of trauma and come out of this cold and off state of mind. Might be you are acting little weird with them. Might be you are just behaving like you don't give a shit to them, but you do. You do. Okay. You also feel for them right now as well. You still love them. They still love you. I can't see any kind of resistance to love you. Let's see what is coming towards you till 31st of July, Aquarius. King of Wands, again the King of Wands. So this person is coming back towards you with the offer of let's start this connection all over again because they are feeling very very passionate about you right now, and they can't stop thinking about you. That's why this person is coming back towards you. This is the King of Wands energy. This is somebody who is not thinking about the past or who is not thinking about the future. They are just very courageous and they want what they want, and that's why this person is coming back towards you, and they are not going to listen to your no or listen to your rejection. No at all. So it's like they have took the decision that they will come towards you and you have to say yes only. You have to be available only. Available. Okay, so you have to do that. Now, let's clarify. Sun, happy energy, Tower. Okay, Six of Pentacles. So I feel like this person wants happiness from you after this breakup thing is happening. Now they want equal give and take of energy from your side as well. Because this person is feeling like you really make them happy, and you are their happiness, and you are going through some kind of shocking news right now in your life. This person is feeling like you should come out of this breakup thing, come out of this phase where you are feeling like they shocked you or they did something that was not pleasant with you, and they are feeling like there should be equal give and take of energy from both the parties now after this breakup. Whew. So I feel like this person is coming back towards you because now they are feeling the urge to come towards you, and they feel like you are their happiness, and they feel like after this breakup, the breakup is over now, the negative energy is over now. They and you should have equal give and take of energy, and they are really really hoping that you are going to say yes to them, because I don't see this person in any mood of taking a no as an answer from your side. Okay, so this is what is happening in your energy. So I just want to advise you something, Aquarius. If you want to go back to this person, take your time. Just don't jump into this connection like just like a fool. Okay. because I can see you are also missing this person, you also love this person a lot, but still I want you to be beware of their thoughts right now, beware of their energy right now, because might be they're telling you that they miss you and they love you and all that shit, but still right now I feel like a physical pull that they are feeling right now towards you, so you have to be a little careful about that, okay? So I hope you are going to understand this with time as well. But yes, that was my duty to make you feel, make you understand. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.